Have you ever found yourself tangled in a web of circular dependencies in your project? It's a real headache, isn't it? If that's you, stick around because today we're diving into how to detect and avoid these pesky issues in the future. I totally get it. Circular dependencies can be a nightmare, causing your code to behave unpredictably. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face similar challenges when managing their projects. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. One user recently encountered circular dependencies in their project and resolved the issue, but wants to prevent it from happening again. They are looking for a plugin that can help identify these dependencies across their entire project. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what exactly are circular dependencies? They occur when two or more modules depend on each other, creating a loop that can lead to errors or unexpected behavior. Understanding this will help us tackle the problem effectively. And don't go anywhere. At the end of this video, I will share a powerful plugin that can help you detect circular dependencies effortlessly. To begin addressing circular dependencies, the user should first install the Circular Dependency plugin. This can be done using npm, which is the package manager for Node.js. Next, the user needs to configure the plugin in their project. This involves modifying the Webpack configuration file to include the plugin. After configuring the plugin, the user should run their build process. This will allow the plugin to analyze the project for circular dependencies. Finally, the user can review the feedback provided by the plugin. It will list any circular dependencies found, allowing the user to address them in their code. Fun fact, did you know that circular dependencies can sometimes lead to the infamous undefined errors in JavaScript? It's like a game of tag gone wrong. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. Another user suggests using a tool called Madge to detect circular dependencies. However, they note that it only identifies these dependencies without indicating if they cause issues in your application. They also created a tool called Detect Circular Deps, which not only finds circular dependencies, but also warns you about the problems they may cause. You can find it on npm. That wraps up that answer. Let's move on to another one. An alternative solution comes from a user who suggests using ESLint to detect circular dependencies. If you have ESLint set up, you can add the ESLint plugin import package and enable the import no-cycle rule. Here's the pro tip I promised. Regularly run the Circular Dependency plugin as part of your development process. This will help you catch issues early and keep your project clean. And there you have it. By using the Circular Dependency plugin, you can easily detect and avoid circular dependencies in your projects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.